Hi, welcome to the Excel C# tutorial. So, to start off, create a new project and create a custom class Excel. Now first we'll need to add the library. So go right click on References, Add Reference, and find Microsoft Excel Object Library. And click OK. Now that that's done, we're gonna have to add namespaces for it. So, using Microsoft.Office.interrupt.excel, and we'll create an object of it as well, just for future. So using Excel equals Microsoft Office interrupt Excel. Now that that's done, let's see what we'll need. We'll need a path to the file. We'll need to open that file and to look at a specific sheet in it. So let's create a constructor. Public Excel, and we'll need path and sheet. Now, before we continue, let's just make global references to these. So string path, we really don't need a string for a sheet, although we might just wanna make it an empty string. Don't leave it at null. We'll need a reference to the application. So application Excel equals new Excel, that's the object here, dot application. And we'll need a workbook, basically a file we're opening, and its worksheet. So workbook WB and worksheet WS. And let's just add that path. So this dot path equals path, and then Excel equals new Excel application. Well, actually, we already done that, didn't we? Then we just add workbook and a worksheet. So workbook equals Excel workbooks dot open, and we pass in the path. And for a worksheet, worksheet is workbook dot worksheets, and then add the sheet number. And that's it. Now we can open up an Excel file. Let's now try and read it. So, public, we'll make this a string just so we can return the text value. Read cell. And we'll need which cell we read. So, it's row and it's column. Let's mark them just int I and int j. Now, since Excel actually reads from 1, and we usually iterate from 0 when we're programming, let's just add this. See, in Excel, this first cell is not 0, 0. It's 1, 1. 0, 0 doesn't exist. So just for easier iterations, let's just increase them and move on. Now to read it first, what we need to do is actually check if there's anything there, if the values are not null. So if worksheet.cells, and we pass in which cell, dot value 2, oh come on, is not null, value 2 is basically the value stored inside a cell, we'll return worksheet cells this cell dot value 2. No, actually we don't need to do this. Else we just return blank. And there we go. Now I created a test file just so we can see what's going on. So in the main form, I already edited just a little function, open up a file. It'll create a new Excel instance, pass in the location and the worksheet number, and display it in a little message box. So let's see what happens. And there we go. That's the message. Now let's try something else. And we save and run. And there we go. And that would be it for today. Bye-bye.